If you have a Glowforge, you're probably familiar with how to choose materials up here in the top left. You just click this rectangle here, and then you can choose items from the list here, or you can type in something else and find it from the list. And when you do that, it automatically loads the settings that Glowforge thinks fits well for that chosen material. However, sometimes you've got a material that maybe isn't on that list, or that is slightly different from that list, or maybe you want to use settings that are not the predetermined settings. Let me show you how to change the settings and also how to save them so you can pull them up again later. So let's say, for example, on this picture frame, I want to score these top 3 pieces. However, I want it to go faster than the default. In fact, spoiler alert, that's always true. I don't like how slow that Glowforge has it default to. So I'm going to click on this item here, and then I'm going to click on either high quality or draft. The only difference between those two, well, in fact, I'll show you. When you click the arrow right here, it shows you the settings. So right now, the high quality score is 125 speed and 21 power. So it's very low power and very slow. What I do is I move it all the way up to 500 speed, and I might move it to 40 or 50 power. I don't want it to be very deep, but I do want it to make a score line, and I want it to go as fast as possible. So if I like that, what I'll do then is click the plus button here, and I'll type in a name. It's going to be pretty short, so I'll call it frame scoring and hit save. And now you see under my custom, I've got frame scoring. So here's what I can do now. When I go to the next piece right here, I can choose frame scoring. And you see it took those settings because right here it shows 500/51, 500 for the speed and 51 for the power. If it still says score here, that means it's still using the default and not my saved settings. So I'm going to click on this one and click frame scoring. And that's all there is to choosing your own settings and then saving them and applying them later.